sister if still has that phobia of eating gizzard. My mom tell you that as a woman, if you eat gizzard, then you not be able to give birth. Terrible. Hey people, it's been raining cat and dog this period. Every day rain. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Oh, you already know. This is the start of a new vlog. Welcome back. This is the start of a new vlog. So welcome back to my channel. If I don't start this vlog, I won't know that I ought to vlog. So thank you guys. We are 320 subscribers. Yay! I'm so happy. I'm so happy. If you're new to this space, let me reintroduce myself. My name is Chika Oputah. It's always in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Yes, I said it. And what do I do here? I create contents around motherhood lifestyle, working mom, OOTD, just as and a general bunch of nonsense. So hit that subscribe button. You love it here, okay? Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. So without further ado, let's start the day. Let's start the vlog. I want to sneak out from the office as usual to go get one or two things and come back before I close. You'll be asking, what time is it that I'm sneaking out? This is past 6, and I'll just sneak in and do something and leave again. So let's go. Oh, the baby girl is now going to baby again, so we are off. Nigeria. If you don't know that I love perfume by now, that means you're not a good family member. Perfume is my go-to. I can have perfume morning, afternoon, and night. Not Gary. Not like I don't like Gary, but I do. But in this my weight loss journey, perfume is my sister, brother, uncle. And my sister makes the yummiest Greek yogurt. The yummiest Greek yogurt in Nigeria. Believe me or not. So I'm currently at work. I just got back from markets. I came straight to the office. After here, I will go and still pick one or two things. Somebody that does not finish buying one thing in one place, I don't know why. It's her brand. Patronize us today. She makes the yummiest banana bread, meat pie, any finger food you can think of. She makes it. See how the Greek yogurt. Like banana from scratch. Don't worry. A detailed tutorial is coming for you guys. A detailed one. So you should consider subscribing now. Growing up, we had them meals that we as if they were big deals for you to eat in the house. Not like big deals. Or rather your parents will tell you this is not for children. Because I know sometimes, or most times, sometimes, moms will make something, one palatable dish like this. She say it's not for children. Or she'll make gizzard, peppered gizzard, snail. I can remember gizzard vividly. It's even till tomorrow. So that's why my sister if still has that phobia of eating gizzard. My mom tell you that as a woman, if you eat gizzard, then you not be able to give birth. God. Oh boy, the stories that we were told growing up, or when you attain the puberty stage, they tell you if a man touches you, you get pregnant. All these things are stories for another day. So today is Sunday. I went to church. Hope you went to church. Me and my household we constantly praise the Lord and hope you went to church today. Hope you went to church. Okay, I'm back from church. Yesterday, let me just give you guys a recap of the vlog. Yesterday after work, I came back home. I made vegetable soup. I made okra soup. That's one of my fave. And that particular soup was among the soup I used in winning the heart of my husband. I said it. I said it. And I made native soup. To him, he said, "This thing is full option." I wish I was able to capture that moment. Because when I met him, he could spend he spends a lot of food and he couldn't cook. My husband had only kettle and frying pan in his house. If you not watched that video, please I'll link it up here. Go and watch it because that man. Yes, they say food is a way to a man's heart. Yes, I want that heart with plenty sumptuous meals. Okra soup is one of them. Reverse native soup is one of them. My signature jollof rice was one of them. A lot. In fact, I can't count. I just can't count. So with that being said, yes, summer is here. That school has closed. That you guys already know. It's going to be Operation Eat, Operation Play, Operation Cartoon and the likes. But I've been thinking of what I can use to keep my daughter busy. And I told my husband, let's get Scrabble. My husband loves to play Scrabble a lot. And it can also help to build their vocabs, get lots of drawing books or drawing anything just to keep them busy. My son loves cartoon. That boy, if you leave him, you'll be on the cartoon. I know this must be the same with most parents. So I just want something to engage them once or twice. As in, I'm not a fan of summer camp, summer holidays, summer lessons. I'm not a fan of that. This is a resting season, so they should rest. Their brain should rest, reset. So when they resume refreshed, recuperated, and replenished. They'll be replenished in all ramifications. So with that being said, let me just finish up at work here. So when I'm done, I want to go to the store, but I'm tired. Well, if I'll go, you guys will definitely see it. So let's see how the vlog progresses from here. But just know that I'm going to get the Scrabble. That one is a sure banker. Then if I'm able to see good books in the shop, I'll get it. And I want her to also start reading the Bible. Yes, she started reading it and stopped at a particular point. But I want to get the one that's specifically for kids that when she want, if she's anytime she sees it, she'll want to read. I don't know what if I make sense. If that makes sense, Sha. So that maybe with colors, a lot of things that will be attractive for them to always want to read the Bible. So with that being said, let's go. Hope you guys love my outfit. I look chic. I don't know. I shall look like one thick madam that has plenty money in the bank. Like that's great. So how you guys doing? Thank you for my newbies here. I'm so happy to have you. So just know that you're in a good place. You're in a good place, okay? So thank you. Not subscribed at this point. Ogini, we're going to quarrel. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and I will see you guys later. Bye.